Hello viewers, this is my channel Dream Tarot and I am doing reading for the sign of Aries again for the month of August for their love situation. So this time the spread will be different and I have already shuffled cards. Now I will cut them in 3 piles and pull cards for you. I am not reading reversals, so maybe this I have to take them this like this. So this side is for your what is your situation going on currently in your love life, or what will happen in future in your love life. These cards shows your feelings and thinking thoughts. And this side, this is your past partner's side. Oh, so you and people you people and are waiting for someone or something. You are waiting for your ships to come in, and you have some plans for maybe for traveling, or you are making some traveling plans. You are thinking to make some traveling plan in the month of August, or maybe you want to see someone over from overseas. You want to meet them. So some meeting from far away land is in your mind right now, in or maybe this is the theme for whole month of August. So, or maybe you and your partner, you both are trying to manifest something in your love life, or trying to or you both are waiting for some kind of resolution in your uh, love life situation. So, what is your thoughts and thinking regarding this relationship? You are very much feeling strength, and you are very much courage. You have very much courage and strength to handle what is going on right now, and you are whatever is this. You are very much handling the situation with courage and very much with strength. And as compared to your partner is very much taking this whole situation as a burden to over them, or maybe your partner thinks that all responsibilities of this relationship is over your partner's shoulder. So, or maybe your partner is busy somewhere, but you are very much strong in this relationship, in regarding this issue, and or your partner is very much heavy burden feeling, matlab, heavy thoughts in their mind regarding this relationship or this issue. Maybe they are very much waiting to their shifts to come in very desperately, or maybe they they are too much thinking. That's why they are overburdenized with their thoughts, and they are very much getting obsessive, I think, regarding this situation or this problem. So but you are very much strong now. In your feelings, you feeling that uh, you are feeling that there is something wrong uh, regarding this issue or this relationship. Maybe you are thinking that your partner is very much uh, sneaky and saying lies to you. You feel like that. You maybe your intuitions, maybe your feelings saying this that to you, that your partner is cheating on you, or you feel like that, that your partner cheating on you, but or saying lies to you, but or making plan or doing something behind, or maybe you are doing something behind the scenes, or you are feel to do that, to do something secretly behind the scenes. So uh, about this, or maybe you are secretly making plans to travel or go overseas to meet that person. But this person is very much uh, emotionally s- uh, we can say that they are very much holding their emotion to themselves and saying nothing to you, or that's why you are thinking that they are cheating on you, or not talking to you, not expressing their love to you, though. That's why you are thinking that they are very much in cheating kind of thing. But your partner is very much in love with you, but they are holding their emotions and not saying anything. But we can say that your partner very much aware that what they want in love life and what they want with you, and they are very much aware that their emotional satisfaction is with you, Aries. So in your what action you are taking in this regarding the relationship, or this uh, over scenario and this issue, you are acting like an emperor in this situation. And this is someone, or maybe this is you are um, or maybe someone around you is taking the all control over, or regarding this relationship, or maybe you are taking all control over this relationship, and you are behaving the emperor to this person. You are trying to control them, or maybe in future you will try to control them. And that's why the this conflict uh, is overburden for them. So you will take you will whenever you will make a secret plan to travel that person, then you will be the leader of that this relationship, to lead this relationship in near future in your uh, love life, or maybe you will take the charge uh, to take this relationship in, to move forward. But your person is taking this all issues, and as they wanted to uh, as they are in conflict where no one can win, though no one is winning, and just fight was no result. So your partner is very much disappointed regarding this issue. Maybe your partner will fight with you to get this strength or and control back to them. But but they cannot, but they cannot have their victory in regarding this regarding this issue. So, Aries, um, let me see, let me take some clarifier for the Five of Swords. I have already shuffled this deck also. I will cut them in piles. Yes, there will be some communication regarding this teamwork and collaboration, or maybe uh, meeting, or reuniting with them, or they have made their mind and decision, or they are whatever decision they have to make, or they had made, they are taking the action on this decision, and they will talk to you to reunite to you, and working out in regarding this relationship. So this fight will happen before this, uh, so that you people can get together again uh, in this relationship. So I cannot see some reunion in this time, but talks regarding this reunited thing will happen, and decision will be made regarding this issue, or regarding your love life. So this was your reading for the sign of Aries for the month of August. If it's resonate regarding your love, right, according to your love drive, please let me confirm in the comment below. Thanks for watching.